up, world? Thanks for tuning in to Lex Holistic Life, and today is the first day of documenting our new hygiene routine. So I first start off the day with coconut pulling for 10 minutes each day. I take a tablespoon of coconut oil and gargle it around my mouth for 10 minutes. This helps with cavities, breath, and whitening teeth. Then I come in with the activated charcoal toothbrush, which alongside my bamboo toothbrush helps whiten the teeth and give it its more natural pearl look. So you make sure you take that combination and you brush around your mouth for 2 minutes minimum each day, y'all. Each day. So then you come in with the OG duo. Yes, you get your regular toothpaste and your regular toothbrush, and you go ahead and brush your teeth 2 minutes minimum. We are talking about good oral hygiene over here, y'all. Good oral hygiene. So next you come in with your tongue scraper. Now I'm not going to include a file on how it looks because it can get nasty. But make sure you scrape that tongue, y'all. Okay, now I come in with my DIY facial soap. And it includes essential oils to help fade scars and even skin tone, y'all. I also got this Vanity Planet brush, which I paid, I believe, around $50 for, and it's worth it. It literally washes my face so diligently. Just look for yourself. Just as light as feathers. So after rinsing your face with cold water, I go in with a cotton pad and I lightly pat my face dry. I use a cotton pad as opposed to a towel because towel can have excess bacteria. Meanwhile, a cotton pad is easily disposable, so you don't have to think too much into that. So I go ahead with my cotton pad, lightly pat dry. Once dry, I go in with my DIY ACV toner, which you would squeeze it, then you would lightly pat your face. Now, this ACV toner does have a little sting to it, but it's known for balancing your skin and helping fade hyperpigmentation while moisturizing based on your skin type. I have combination skin, so it is key to my skin routine. Then I come in with the DIY Shea Butter Baby. Yes, this includes frankincense oil and tea tree, which does a number on the skin, honey. Look, no filter, extreme hydration, and it looks amazing. Period. We are talking new hygiene routine. If this is it, and I'm putting my money on it. So thanks for tuning in, world. Mwah.